Hindsight is expensive. Foresight is collision. Collision is our unrivaled dynamic intelligence platform at the heart of the Foresight ecosystem by Foresight Factory. Collision is live, personalized, and predictive. Powered by over 4,000 commercial, consumer, and competitor signals, coupled with human expertise built around your priorities, goals, and target audiences, with maturity and velocity scores that show a 360 view of where future growth lies. Track your competitors in real time. See where they're heading before they arrive. See which innovations are rising and which are fading. Get answers to your strategic questions instantly, so you can act before the moment passes. Filter 80+ global trends, powered by survey data covering 47,000 consumers across 27 markets. Ranked, scored, and ready to act on. Every signal, every trend, seen through the eyes of your target audiences. Spot the science before it becomes your competition. A powerful tool configured to what matters to you. Confidence and clarity when the market gives you neither. The efficiency and effectiveness that neither AI alone nor traditional consultancy can match. AI and human expertise fused. 30 years in the making. One step ahead, always seeing beyond. Book your 30-minute discovery session today.